Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by connecting a reliable external drive or network share and verifying it has enough free space. This avoids mid-backup failures. Next, open Settings Update and Security Backup, or go to Control Panel Backup and restore Windows 7 to access the System Image tool. Choose System Image when you need a full disk copy including OS and programs. Choose File History only for user files. Once you've selected System Image, click Create a System Image to begin the process. Once you click Create a System Image, select the destination, external drive, network share, or DVD, and provide network credentials if needed. Make sure the boot and system reserved partitions remain included so the image boots properly. You can exclude large non-essential folders to save time. Start the backup and watch the progress bar in Backup and Restore. Transfer rates depend on drive speed and connection type. If encryption or compression options appear, choose according to your recovery needs and click Start to execute the task. When the image completes, create a recovery USB using Control Panel or Recovery Settings so you can boot to recovery tools later. Then validate the image by booting into the Windows recovery environment and using Restore My Computer from a system image, or mount the image on a spare drive to confirm files and bootability. If the process fails, run chkdsk on the source disk, verify destination has enough free space, and update USB/NAS drivers. Retry after resolving errors and reattempt the system image creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.